Welcome to today's lesson on water cycling within ecosystems, which is an important part of understanding how life is sustained and renewed on Earth. In our lesson today, we will examine the water cycle, which provides fresh water for plants and animals on land before draining into the seas, and how water is continuously evaporated and precipitated. Then we will explore the importance of the water cycle, emphasizing its role in sustaining life. So far, you have learned about ecology and environmental changes, including how water availability affects ecosystems. This knowledge is essential as it helps us understand the broader context in which material cycles operate. To understand how ecosystems function, it's crucial to grasp how materials cycle between the living, biotic, and non-living, abiotic, components. One of the essential cycles is the water cycle, which provides fresh water for all organisms. Let's delve into how this cycle works. The sun plays a pivotal role in the water cycle by providing the energy needed for evaporation. Water from oceans, rivers, lakes, and even the surface of plants is heated by the sun and transformed from liquid to water vapor, which rises into the atmosphere. This is evaporation. Transpiration, a process in plants where water is released as vapor through small openings in leaves called stomata, also contributes to the water vapor in the air. As the water vapor ascends, it encounters cooler temperatures at higher altitudes. This cooling causes the water vapor to condense, forming tiny droplets of water that cluster together to create clouds. This process of condensation is essential for the formation of precipitation. Clouds are constantly moving, driven by wind currents. When they become heavy enough, the water droplets combine and fall to the ground as precipitation. Precipitation can take various forms, including rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature and atmospheric conditions. This step is crucial as it delivers fresh water to the land, serving as a vital resource for both plants and animals. Once water reaches the ground, it flows into rivers, lakes, and oceans, effectively completing the cycle. Some of the water infiltrates the soil, replenishing groundwater resources that plants can absorb through their roots. This collected water will eventually be evaporated again, continuing the cycle and ensuring that this precious resource is constantly renewed. The water cycle is indispensable for various reasons. It supports life. Water is essential for all living organisms. Plants use water to photosynthesize and produce oxygen, while animals and humans need water for drinking, agriculture, and other vital processes. The water cycle is also essential for climate regulation. The movement of water between Earth's surface and atmosphere helps to regulate climate by redistributing heat. The water cycle is also vital for ecosystem balance. The continuous recycling of water helps maintain the balance of ecosystems, ensuring that organisms have the resources they need to survive.
In the late 17th century, Edmund Halley, conducted one of the earliest scientific studies on evaporation and rainfall. My curiosity led me to estimate how much water evaporated from the Mediterranean Sea and compare it to the inflow from rivers. Through these calculations, I was able to demonstrate that evaporation and rainfall were integral parts of the water cycle. At the time, this was a revolutionary notion, and it paved the way for hydrology to be recognized as a true science.
In today's lesson, we explored the cycling of water through ecosystems, emphasizing its role in sustaining life. We examined the water cycle in detail, noting how water evaporates, forms clouds, and returns as precipitation, providing fresh water crucial for life. Understanding these cycles shows the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the importance of conserving natural resources, providing a foundation for further ecological studies.